Hello everyone, my name is Eric Briesmeister and I'm the CEO of UnityPoint Health, Jones Regional Medical Center. Welcome to our virtual ribbon cutting for the Simulation Center for Healthcare Education. I want to extend a warm welcome to everyone viewing today, our staff, our patients and families, colleagues throughout UnityPoint Health, our new partners with Purdue University Global, and our other distinguished guests. So every year, Purdue Global will be bringing 160-odd nursing students into the rural environment, into their state-of-the-art facility to receive training and give them exposure to the rural environment that otherwise they wouldn't get. So what is our new simulation center? It's classrooms, it's medical mannequins and equipment, it's video recording to really allow learners to have an immersive experience so they can get real-world practice and be proficient at the bedside when they get there.
Hi, I'm Dee Cook, the Chief Nursing Officer here at Jones Regional. And approximately 1 year ago, the team members at Jones Regional approached me about having some evidence-based practice in their training and annual education. And they also wanted to have a nurse residency program for our new graduate nurses that we hired. So administration agreed that this would be an asset to Jones Regional Medical Center, and we then decided to hire a healthcare educational coordinator. And about at the same time, Purdue University Global approached us in wanting to have a partnership in building and on our site a simulation center. I'm very excited about our relationship with Purdue University Global and that we can use the simulation together between the nursing students and our team members and eventually the community so that we can have state-of-the-art simulations, that we can have those real-life scenarios to practice. And the second reason is we can hire Purdue nursing students and then eventually hiring the nurses to work at Jones Regional Medical Center.
Hello, I'm Dr. Melissa Birdie, the Dean for the School of Nursing at Purdue University Global. It is my pleasure to be part of this auspicious occasion today, truly a new road paved by a partnership between Purdue University Global School of Nursing and Jones Regional Medical Center. Our hope and goal is to immerse our students inside of a medical center as they prepare to become nurses of the future. This relationship will allow our students to be real-world ready, possibly even to work at Jones Regional Medical Center someday. At the same time, allowing our faculty the opportunity to collaborate with the esteemed healthcare staff at Jones Regional Medical Center, addressing clinical needs while fostering positive patient outcomes. We look forward to a long and positive relationship with Jones Regional Medical Center, and on behalf of the School of Nursing and Purdue University Global, I thank you.
Well, so what makes this a unique partnership? I think the vision that Purdue Global and Jones Regional had to bring this simulation center to a rural environment, to Jones County, to Anamosa, is just amazing. Typically prior to this, our staff would have to travel into urban areas to receive this type of training. Now they can get this type of training on site, right next to their workplace. Additionally, we can train other providers in the area, so other EMS services, fire departments, the entire community can really benefit from this. And the third part, I think that is really unique about this is all the economic activity that occurs around this center. All the students coming in, the full-time people that are going to be employed there. All that activity occurs in a rural environment. As you all know, rural areas everywhere are struggling to maintain economic vitality. And this is just a huge piece and a huge step towards maintaining that vitality on the medical side of things. So I think those are the reasons that just make this such a unique and amazing partnership. And once again, thanks to Purdue Global for all their help and their vision to help bring this to life.
Hello, I'm Dr. Frank Dooley, Chancellor, Purdue University Global. Let me start with an incredible sense of appreciation and admiration for all those involved in creating this simulation lab center. Those of you at the Jones Regional Medical Center, UnityPoint, of course, my wonderful colleagues from my School of Nursing. We should all be very proud of what we've accomplished at this time of unquestioned need for more nurses. Together, we're modeling for the nation a novel and creative solution for nursing education. finding innovations like this, especially with forward-thinking partners like you, is precisely the type of outcome that Purdue envisioned when we created Purdue Global back in 2018. You might guess that this really delights me. I only wish I could be with you in Cedar Rapids for this great event. I look forward to my visit to the lab at some point. Again, thank you to all. I look forward to hearing more developments from this great partnership for years to come. Hammer down, boiler up, hail Purdue Global.
It's so important for Jones County to have Jones Regional and then a solid partner like Purdue Global to continue to look into the future to the needs for providing healthcare service. When people look to relocate, one of the check the boxes is what healthcare can be provided. So there's so much upside to what is being laid for the foundation today.
Thanks so much for joining us today for the virtual ribbon cutting. We are so looking forward to bringing this facility to our team members, to the community, to the students of Purdue University Global. Have a great day, take care, and stay well.